guys, what's up? What's going on? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. So today, as the title suggests, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money with Pochi la Biashara. I know you've been seeing, if you are a Safaricom user, you've been seeing those texts and those messages telling you to start making money with them right now, and I know many people have not tried it, and so I am here to show you guys how you can make money with Pochi la Biashara. Many people may not know what Pochi la Biashara is. So Pochi la Biashara is this initiative by Safaricom to help business people to conduct their businesses easily and also to help you make money. So what you're going to do to make money is to sell their airtime, and then you earn a 5% commission. And you guys have been seeing those messages sent to your inboxes by Safaricom at least, not once, not twice. So today all I want to do is to show you guys how you can quickly make money with Pochi la Biashara. Let's do this. So the first thing you do is to go to your dialer so that you can register with Pochi la Biashara. So you dial *334#. This is what you're going to get. So we are going to select option number 8, which is Pochi la Biashara, because we don't want all these other services. So register Pochi la Biashara. And after that, you're going to get this message from Safaricom telling you that you've successfully registered and you can do business with them, You can do any kind of business with Pochi la Biashara. Okay, now after that, we're going to go back to the dialer and then dial *234#, and then select option number 1, that is M-Pesa products. After that, select it's not here, so we are going to do the 98 more selection so that we can get more other options. So just type 98 more or 98, and then now select M-Post, that is option number 9. So now we're good to go. So you go back to your dialer and dial *334#, so that now you can transact with Pochi la Biashara. So you get these options. Select option number 8, that is Pochi la Biashara. And this is what you're going to get. So you select 1, that is send to, number 2, that is merchant services. So we're going to select option number 2. I just want to show you guys how you're going to sell your airtime. After you get this, you're going to select option number 3, that is airtime, because you want to start selling airtime. And once you select airtime, you are going to select sell airtime, that is option number 2. And then you enter the mobile number of the person that you want to sell airtime to. So that's it for today's video. In case you have any questions, comment down below and ask the questions. I'm going to be answering you guys. And as always, don't forget to like this video so that I'll know that you enjoyed watching it, and so that I can do many more of this content, this related content. You can watch my other videos in the meantime, guys. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't, you're going to miss on my other good videos, and you don't want to miss my videos. They are so informative. So that's it for today, guys. I really enjoyed doing this video. Hoping you guys enjoy it and hoping you like. Until next time, bye.